Hey you guys, how's it going? My name's Jeff. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, well then pull up a seat and stay a while. And if you've been here before, pull up a seat, stay a while. Today, I'm just gonna answer a question that somebody put in the comment section. He wanted to know my thoughts on two ETFs, so I'm here to share them with you. First off, this is not financial advice, just providing this to help you guys learn a little bit more. VTEB. And this invests 98.78% in municipal bonds and 1.22% in cash. So this is not an ETF I would personally invest in because I'm not interested in investing in bonds, especially since my time horizon is more than 10 or 20 or 30 years. I'm investing long term, and I like the returns that I get from the stock asset class much better than bonds. And I'll just give you a quick kind of look here. VTEB is negative 1.79% over the last year, and then over the last 5 years it's negative 1.73. And compare this to positive 3.19 for the Vanguard S&P 500 and positive 56.05 also for the S&P 500. So if you were to invest in VOO, you'd be getting a tremendous return over the last 5 years, and you'd be getting a negative return with VTEB. So that is not of interest to me. The other ETF he asked about is DIVO. This looks like an ETF that has a very complicated strategy to generate dividend returns and enhancing them. It's called the Amplify CWP Enhanced Dividend Income ETF. So they have complicated strategies. Personally, I'm not interested in investing in any kind of complicated derivative or option strategies. I like to keep things simple. I'll tell you the returns for this ETF. They're minus 2.92 for the last 1 year and positive 20.81 for the past 5 years. Let's just look at those 5-year returns. If you invested in a plain Jane, simple, dividend-producing ETF like schd, which is Schwab's Dividend ETF, that returned 41.93%. That's positive. So you could get a 41.93% return from the Schwab ETF, which is really cheap, low expense ratio, or you could get half that return going with DIVO, paying a higher expense ratio and getting half the return. So I guess you know my feelings on that particular ETF. Great question though. I love it when you guys ask me what I think about ETFs because it gives me the chance to take a closer look at them and respond and let you know my thoughts. So, do any of you guys, other people out there, have any questions? If you do, put them in the comment section. I love to read your comments, and as you can see from this video, I will respond to them if I can and give you my thoughts about these ETFs. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I think you might really like the videos that I'm going to be making in the next few weeks. I'm going to be focusing on ETFs, and I'm going to be talking about some ETFs you might not have heard about yet. So if you're already an ETF investor, or if you're just putting together a list of some ETFs you want to learn more about, then I might have some cool ideas for you. So just hit the little subscribe button over there, and then you'll get a notification whenever I make a new video. It's really great to have you guys along. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.